ये वो देख वो देख वो देख वो देख।
चुप, बिल्कुल चुप।
Final match you perform. What happening? Huh? Final match you perform. What happening?
और अभी तो रुको, क्लाइमैक्स अभी बाकी।
Final match you perform. What happening?
Final match you perform. What happening?
I think all the credit to that is a fan, the way he support all the PSL, and then all the come to stadium and all the support to the players.
क्या क्या कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं भाई आप?
Everyone is love it, so we come and in the final and support the team and PSL.
तोबा तोबा तोबा, थारा मूड खराब कर दिया।
Babar batting and my batting is like same because we always try to rotate the strikes. So this way we are happy. If you are like sometime you're gonna stay there in the other end.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
It is difficult for you. So because me and Baba is chemistry is same, physics is same.
मुझे कैसे भी करके निकाल मेरे भाई, मैं फंस गया हूँ यहाँ।
Me and Baba is chemistry is same, physics is same.
Bowling attack in the world in limited overs cricket. Where do you think you need to improve?
Look, always improve improve in the cricket. You never satisfy.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
पहले तो सबसे विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। मेरे लिए ऑनर की बात है कि मैं कोई टेस्ट कैप दे रहा हूँ। इस टेस्ट कैप की अहमियत बहुत अहम है।
ये फंस गया सीएम, इसे पार्टी की मीटिंग समझ के फंस गया।
टेस्ट कैप की अहमियत बहुत अहम है।
क्या? ये क्या बक रहा?
उनका मोमेंटम जिसके हाथ में जाते तो वहाँ से स्टार्ट जब उनको मोमेंटम मिलता है, सेम उनके साथ ये हुआ है। एंड में बैटिंग में मोमेंटम ले लिया, बॉलिंग में आती मोमेंटम हमने दे दिया है, तो दोनों मोमेंटम जहाँ से पकड़ने।
तोबा तोबा तोबा, थारा मूड खराब कर दिया।
What we talk, what we did, how many meetings, how many days, what conversations, all finished. Just only next four hours now. और यहाँ पे सेकंड स्टार चाहिए आप।
अब आए ना लाइन पे।
उसके लिए सिर्फ दिमाग में चैंपियंस टीम जस्ट पुट हिम इन माइंड, दैट्स इट। वी नीड अ सेकंड स्टार।
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना।
Champion team is never afraid of the results. They know just process. We will keep that process what we did in the 11 matches, and we are the champion. Okay, guys.
All cricket you want to implement ahead of the Champions Trophy.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले।
No, we don't want to. Basically, what we are here and what we're gonna do, we're gonna follow that. And how can we make a champion our team? This is only for first time. I'm not here to follow the world what they want to do, what the other countries doing that. I'm not here to, and our team is not here to follow these things.
Is that because of the conditions you see, or is that a tactical decision from your side?
No, I think the both are same because if you look him the sunny side and the stress of this ground is like, you know that we have seen that.
क्या? ये क्या बक रहे हो?
The sunny side and the stress of this ground is like, you know.
मुझे कैसे भी करके निकाल मेरे भाई, मैं फंस गया हूँ यहाँ।
Lots of things positive, but if you look him the innings of Miller and the George performance, the Dundee performance was that momentum, and we must give him to get it to these two guys.
लेकिन एक सेकंड,
Let's just break it down a little bit. I mean, you picked up 3 wickets in the first.
Yeah, but if you look him that the momentum of that the Miller, they're gonna come and they're gonna charge on us. That was the momentum.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है।
Luckily, the 50 was in the semi-final. I'm lucky. But if you look in the start of our batting lineup and our match of the tournament, me and Babar were struggling. The pitches, the swings, the conditions were different for us.
अच्छा।
But we still hard work towards the Allah demand from us, and we believe on this. Yeah, still we believe that inshallah, because every player will be going on this day, yeah. And everyone will be going somewhere struggling, but they're gonna hard. They keep fighting. If we do that, alhamdulillah, give us 50 in that match.
चुप,
And a wicket on the no ball. Did you feel any pleasant moment in this match?
Any what? Pleasant moment.
You won the toss
Hanji.
and got a wicket on the no ball. I think it's a pleasant moment in the match. Did you think any pleasant more in this match?
Pleasant moment in the match.
You.
How can no ball be pleasant for me?
Thank you, sir.
I will ask about you for the Pakistan team is under crisis for a long time. As a colleague, what would you suggest to Pakistan batsmen how they can come out from this crisis?
अगर मैं पाकिस्तान का कोच बना तो बिल्कुल बताऊंगा अभी तो
हाँ भाई कैसी लगी आगे स्वाद
BPL all match your perform this happening. Final match your perform this happening.
Final match I perform?
Final match your perform.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा हमें तुम्हारे लक्षण बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं लग रहा है तुमसे ना हो पाएगा